Understanding the phrase, feeding the lambs, an English language lesson. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, feeding the lambs. This phrase isn't just about farm animals. It has a deeper meaning in the English language. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your idiomatic understanding, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the literal meaning. Feeding the lambs simply refers to the act of giving food to young sheep. Lambs are baby sheep, and they rely on their mothers or farmers for nutrition. This physical act of feeding is straightforward, but in English, this phrase is often used metaphorically. In a metaphorical sense, feeding the lambs can imply nurturing, guiding, or educating someone, usually younger or less experienced. It's similar to how a shepherd cares for their young sheep. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as teaching, parenting, or mentoring. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. In education, a teacher might say, "I love feeding the lambs in my kindergarten class." Here, it means they enjoy educating and nurturing young minds. 2. In a family, a parent might use it to express their role in raising their children. "Weekends are for feeding the lambs, spending time teaching life skills to my kids." 3. In mentorship, a mentor guiding a less experienced colleague could say, "My job involves feeding the lambs, helping new employees understand our work culture." While feeding the lambs is a beautiful phrase, it's important to use it appropriately. It's best suited for situations involving care, guidance, or education. Also, be mindful of the context and audience, as the phrase might confuse those unfamiliar with English idioms. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, feeding the lambs, and how it's used in the English language. It's a wonderful example of how English can be poetic and expressive. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English idioms and phrases.